Hi there, and today we're going to learn about how to fix Shopify product images not displaying on your Shopify store. So here I am in my Shopify store dashboard, and let's go to our products page. So from here, just click products on the sidebar, and then you should see your products right here in your Shopify. So for example, I'll just choose a product right here. So I'll choose this one, the color t-shirts. So as you can see, I have different images right here. And a common way or like a common problem that is happening that your Shopify product images is not displaying is your status. So maybe your status is set to draft or unlisted. So you just need to make sure that your status is set to active. So that is one way that you can fix your Shopify product images that is not displaying. And then another is right here from the publishing. So make sure that you have selected all of the items right here. So you have selected your online store and your point of sale. And then another one is that you can just double check your images right here. So maybe some of them are corrupted. So what you can do is that you can select that specific product and then you can remove it and then just choose the image again from your Shopify, or you can manually upload the file. So I'll just choose it again right here and then click done. And then that's it. So maybe another problem that you have is that you didn't add your specific Shopify product to your collection. So right here, I have the collections right here. And then let's say I'll go to my shirt collection. And then as you can see, I have white t-shirt, colored t-shirt, black t-shirt, but I don't have my other items. So what you can do is that you can just click browse and then you can search for your products right here. So for example, I'll type in here shirt, and then I can go ahead and add the different items right here, like the black printed t-shirt, and then for example, the gray oversized t-shirt, and so on and so forth. Then click done. So you will see your added products right here. So maybe that is another reason why you can't see or that your Shopify product images is not displaying. And then that's it. So those are the common ways that you can do to fix your Shopify product images that are not displaying. So if you have like a more specific problem or a more advanced problem that isn't covered in here in this tutorial, so what you can do is that you can just contact the Shopify help support so that they can help you with your problem. And then that is it. I hope you learn how to do it, and thank you for watching.